Best business consultants in Sydney. Grow your business faster with the best business consultants in Sydney. Grow your business faster with a proven framework and get a competitive advantage. By customizing our profit growth framework to your business, we accelerate your results. We understand the challenges you face with cash flow, profit, finance, and staffing. Most importantly, over the last 20+ years, we have worked with many businesses across many industries, and we use the expertise gained to help solve these challenges in your business. When you partner with us as your business consultant in Sydney, we will work together to identify growth opportunities to get more money, more time, and more freedom from your business. We can help you right now if you feel you are working tirelessly with nothing left in the tank or the bank to show for it. Feel trapped in the daily grind on the tools and can't focus on growing your business. If you are unhappy with where your business is at, or you just want to improve it, don't wait, jump on a no-obligation clarity call with us today. I bet by simply getting clarity around your challenges, it will make this the best call you have today. Problems we solve. Time management, no time to work on your business. You can't be in two places at once. When you're focused on sales, operations slip. When on the tools, sales drop off. Make more money, sales, money, and profit is bumpy, it's feast or famine. A clear and profit-driven pricing strategy is key here. Human resource management, staff shortages, communication challenges, and lack of accountability all drag down the performance of your business, not to mention the mood and morale of your people. Lost the love for your business? Once we take away the stress and you start achieving your goals, you will get the love back again. The big challenge with a business is that it's like a sports team. Let us be the coach.